Do you want to add an image to a shape? Well, worry not. We're here to help. Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to attach an image to your shape. Now let's begin. Open any Canva project you desire or simply create a new one. Once you have opened it or created, let's focus on the left hand side on the Elements tab. Simply click on it and let us search for frames. In here you can see something like frames. Select See All. You can choose any of these frames. It is up to you. I'm gonna select this one. Simply click and drag. Adjust the shape as you require. Now let's go to the Uploads section. Simply click on the Uploads. And now click and drag an image that you want to attach to the shape. If you click on the shape again, you will be given lots of options here. You can either animate it, you can either position it, you can see it from here, or you can simply flip the image. You can edit the photo as well. You can adjust the filters, you can crop it, depends upon you. Well guys, that is how you attach an image to a shape. Hope you liked this video and hope this video helped you. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.